Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we just have a new build for Dev Channel Insiders for Windows 11. If you are a Dev Channel Insider, you were on build 22504. We are now getting build 22509, as you see here, on my machine. And this is now downloading, so I will be installing this and talking about it a little later. What are the highlights? According to the blog post, one of the highlights is browsing the web with Microsoft Edge using the narrator is apparently easier now. And we also have some changes in the layout of the start menu. So apparently you can have more pins or default or more recommendations. It depends on what you want. It doesn't seem like the space taken by it has been changed. It just seems like there's just more that you can add in certain areas. So more icons with apps or more recommendations of, documents and things you've opened. So that's kind of interesting. A few other things with with a second screen. There's printer scanner settings change. There's quite a few little things here. So we'll actually take a look and tour this a little later today and show you what is new in the build 22509. So of course you got to be in the Windows Insider program. You have to set yourself into the Dev channel, which is the one that you can't get out of if you go to it. So it's important to know that if you do try to get to the Dev channel to see the future, you'll have to reinstall Windows from scratch if you want to get out, because you can't get out of that channel. So check it out if you're in the Insider Rings for Dev Channel 22509, now released for insiders today, December 1st, 2021. And of course, this is a build for this week. We had no builds for the last week, so it's been 2 weeks since we had the last build. I'm actually surprised that the build number isn't higher than that, but at least there's a few things to look at. So check it out, and I'll be, of course, reviewing this a little later today. If you enjoy my channel, just subscribe. If you like the videos, of course, thumbs up. And thank you for watching our videos.